One of my girls asked me when I went to the store if I could pick up a little bit of soda, so I said sure. I'm trying to be a good dad, which I think I am. I think I'm a pretty good dad. I mean, if you ask her, probably not. She might reply no, but to a parent, pretty much means you're doing a good job. So I would say overall, I'm a good dad. Now, when I got to the store and I realized, hey, there's all these sodas here and all of this, and I mean, there's no reason in particular I picked up this soda. I just picked up some soda. I kind of knew she liked this. So I said, well, I'll just grab some of this. And I got to thinking, well, this could be another episode. So what this episode is going to be on is unit price. How much you pay for 1 unit of something. In this case, these sodas. Now, I bought one 24 pack and I bought one 12 pack. And you can see the prices. Well, this 124 pack consists of 24 individual units as well. And this 12 pack consists of 12 individual units. What we can do is break that down to find out how much did I pay per can from each box. So basically I'm asking, which one was the better deal? Was it better for me to get down? Okay. Now we could use proportions to solve to find the unit price or unit rate, what I paid per can. But I'm just gonna tell you, when it comes to money and we're trying to find the unit rate, it's just very simple. We're gonna take how much each of these units, these boxes of drinks cost, and we're going to divide it by how many single individual units are in the boxes. So, for instance, we're going to take the $6.98 and divide it by 24, since there are 24 individual cans in the box. Then we're going to take the $4.98 I paid for the 12 pack and divide it by 12, because there are 12 individual cans inside of that box. Now when we do that, we find that 1 can from this box, this can down here, cost me 29 cents. When we find the unit rate for this box, we find that 1 can cost me 42 cents. So this can cost me 29 cents, this can cost me 42 cents. And yet, it's the exact same product. Exact same size can, exact same product, all the ingredients are the same. So this was my better deal. Each of these cans has the same amount of product in it, 12 ounces. So we can break that down into 1 ounce. There are 12 units inside of this can. There are 12 ounces. So I can break that down into 1 ounce, and I can calculate how much I actually paid for 1 ounce of soda. So what I would do then, since I know that I paid 42 cents for this can, I can take the amount that it cost me for this can, and I can divide it by 12, since there are 12 ounces. That's gonna give me approximately 3.5 cents per ounce. So for 1 ounce from this can, I'm paying 3.5 cents for 1 ounce of soda. If I do that from this can, I'm going to take 29 cents I paid for that can, and I'm going to divide it by 12, because there's 12 ounces in this can also. That tells me I paid approximately 2.5 cents per ounce. So it cost me more per can, which ultimately cost me more per ounce to buy a 12 pack than it did to buy the 24 pack. I saved a lot more money. Now, yes, I know it doesn't sound like all that much, 29 cents a can and 42 cents a can. It's not that big of a deal. But if you're talking about over years, or if you're saying, hey, I'm saving a little bit of money, I'm saving 10 to 20 cents on every item I buy over a lifetime, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars. So that's just kind of maybe how you could look at it to maybe put it in perspective a little bit. It's buggy out here. And that is our mini lesson on unit rate as it pertains to cost. There's only one thing left for me to do, and that is to sit back, relax, and enjoy an ice cold one. Oh.